Welcome to Dispatching University channel. Today we gonna discuss about trucking terminology. Understanding these terms is essential for effective communication and success in the industry. So, let's not waste any time and dive right in. Our first term on the list is CDL, which stands for Commercial Driver's License. This is a special type of driver's license required to operate commercial vehicles like trucks and buses. Obtaining a CDL involves passing written and practical exams, ensuring drivers have the necessary skills and knowledge to handle these large vehicles. Next up, we have semi-truck. A semi-truck, also known as an 18-wheeler or tractor-trailer, is a powerful truck that consists of a front engine, the tractor, and a trailer that it hauls. These trucks are the workhorses of the industry, capable of transporting heavy loads over long distances. Up next, we have LTL and FTL. LTL stands for Less Than Truckload, which refers to shipments that don't require a full truck. These loads are consolidated with other shipments to maximize trailer space and reduce costs. On the other hand, FTL stands for Full Truckload, where the entire truck is dedicated to a single shipment. Understanding these terms is essential when discussing load requirements with dispatchers and shippers. Let's move on to Deadhead. Deadhead refers to the distance traveled by a truck without any paying load. This can happen when a truck completes a delivery and has to return to its origin without picking up another load. Deadhead miles can impact a trucker's profitability, so minimizing them is crucial. Now, let's discuss Hours of Service or HOS. These are regulations that govern the maximum number of hours a truck driver can work within a specific time frame. HOS regulations are in place to prevent fatigue-related accidents and ensure the safety of both the driver and others on the road. Another term worth mentioning is bobtail. Bobtail refers to a tractor operating without a trailer. It usually occurs when a driver drops off a trailer at its destination and returns to their base without picking up another load. Bobtail driving requires adjusting to the different handling characteristics of the truck. Now, let's talk about the scale house. A scale house is a facility typically located near highways where trucks are weighed to ensure compliance with weight restrictions. Truckers must stop at scale houses when directed and provide necessary documentation, such as driver's licenses, registrations, and permits. Adhering to weight restrictions is crucial for safety and compliance. Moving on, we have hazmat. Hazmat is short for hazardous materials. These are substances that, due to their nature, pose a risk to health, safety, property, or the environment. Transporting hazardous materials requires specialized training, permits, and compliance with strict regulations to ensure the safe handling and transport of these substances. Another important term is tarping. Tarping refers to the process of covering a load with a tarp or other protective material to shield it from the elements. This is commonly done when hauling open or flatbed trailers to prevent damage to the cargo, especially during inclement weather. Now, let's discuss logbooks or ELDs. Logbooks are records that truck drivers maintain to track their driving hours, breaks, and rest periods. They were traditionally kept in paper form but have now been replaced by electronic logging devices, ELDs. ELDs automatically record driving time, ensuring compliance with HOS regulations and accurate record keeping. Next up, we have drop and hook. Drop and hook is a method of load delivery where a driver drops off a trailer at a designated location and picks up another preloaded trailer for their next assignment. This allows for quick turnaround times and reduces waiting time at shipping and receiving facilities. Now, let's talk about reefer. No, I'm not referring to the guy who's always cold. In trucking, reefer is a term used to describe a refrigerated trailer. These trailers are equipped with temperature control systems, allowing the transportation of perishable goods like food and pharmaceuticals that require specific temperature conditions. Flatbed. A flatbed is a type of trailer that has an open, flat platform without sides or a roof. It is commonly used for transporting large or oversized loads that cannot fit inside a traditional enclosed trailer. Flatbeds are ideal for hauling construction materials, machinery, and other bulky items. Dry van, short for dry van, refers to a standard enclosed trailer with walls and a roof. It is designed to protect the cargo from weather conditions and is commonly used for transporting general freight. Dry vans are versatile and can be loaded and unloaded from the rear or side doors. Hotshot. Hotshot trucking refers to the transportation of time-sensitive or expedited freight using a smaller truck, typically a pickup truck or a smaller commercial vehicle. Hotshot drivers often operate independently or as part of a small fleet, providing quick and efficient delivery services for urgent shipments. Blind shipment. A blind shipment is a shipment in which the shipper and consignee, the party receiving the goods, are kept confidential from each other. In such cases, the shipper may use a third-party logistics provider or freight forwarder to coordinate the shipment without revealing the identity of either party. This is often done for strategic or confidentiality reasons. Bill of lading. A bill of lading, BOL, is a legal document issued by the carrier, trucking company, that acknowledges the receipt of goods and outlines the terms and conditions of transportation. It serves as a contract between the shipper and carrier, specifying details such as the type and quantity of goods, the origin and destination, and the responsibilities of each party. Rate confirmation. Rate confirmation is a document that confirms the agreed-upon rate for transporting a specific load. It is typically generated by the carrier or freight broker and outlines the details of the shipment, including pickup and delivery locations, payment terms, and any additional services or requirements. Rate confirmations ensure clarity and mutual agreement between the parties involved in the transportation transaction. Finally, we have backhaul. A backhaul is the return trip of a truck carrying a load after delivering its initial payload. It's an opportunity for truckers to maximize efficiency and revenue by finding a paying load for the return journey, instead of driving empty, deadhead, or with minimal profit. And that concludes our list of essential trucking terminology. I hope you found this video informative and that it helps you navigate the trucking industry with confidence. If you have any questions or would like us to cover specific topics in future videos, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest content.